Hi everybody, it is April and these are my adventures with Quilt Path. Today we're going to be talking about something that no one wants to talk about, but everyone has to deal with. Tension. Tension is something that you will have to work with no matter what your machine, no matter how great you think you wound your bobbin, it's going to happen. So we are going to embrace tension. We're going to love the tension, especially when we switch our thread. So I worked with a Fantastico thread on the quilt that I did prior to the quilt that I'm working on. And I went to a glide thread for the quilt I'm working on. It's just different thread, and different thread is going to require different settings on your machine. So you've got your bobbin, which I used the same glide pre-wound bobbin in my bobbin, so yay, that shouldn't be an issue. And then I need to work through getting this little knob right here set correctly and my thread put through the machine the way that the glide thread likes. Then we've got two more things that don't necessarily happen all the time, but let's go through them so you will be prepared. Since I float my tops, it is better that everything be tacked down. And I'm not loving the look of that stitch at all. I've got tension problems. Don't you hate it when that happens? Let me show you the tension issue. I'm not sure if you can see this, but the stitches aren't looking perfectly straight and some of them are loose. So let's get that fixed. I don't know about you all, but I keep my leftover fabric so that if I do have tension issues, I can work them out here. Okay. Now, that looks better, not perfect. It's kind of loose up here. I'm tightening this knob right here to see if that improves anything. Okay. That looks a ton better. Now, it's not perfect. So let me tighten it a little bit more. And the reason this happens is because I used a different thread for the last quilt I did. I didn't use glide. So usually if you're going to use the same thread in the bobbin and the top that you did last time, you don't necessarily have an issue. That doesn't mean it won't happen. It's less likely to happen. But because I was changing the type of thread, I did use the glide in the bobbin, but I did not use glide in the top. I used a Fantastico. So this is just par for the course. They need to be loaded differently as far as, you know, how much tension you've got here when you've got different types of thread. Okay, don't you feel better? Don't you feel like you have been better educated to deal with tension and things that can go wrong on your machine that aren't really going wrong, but sometimes you have to work with a little bit and tweak some things so that it works with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You don't want to miss an episode of April's adventure with Quilt Path, right? Until next time, bye.